We are nearly there. We have all our common and unique content in our 3 web pages. We have all our common and unique HTML on our 3 web pages. We have all our common style on our 3 web pages. Okay, but we don't have our unique style. Okay, so we are going to apply a separate background color to the article and to the H2s and the H3s. Okay, so we are going to need a separate external style sheet for each of our 3 web pages. Okay, so we are going to call them index.css, history.css, and culture.css. And just as each of those web pages linked to common.css, we are going to have to link in the same way. Okay, so each of the 3 web pages is going to link to 2 style sheets. Okay, the common one and its own unique one. So let's get started at that. And what we'll do is we'll create a new document. Okay, Control N will allow us to do that. And what we'll do is we'll go Save As. And where are we storing all this? We are storing this ROG video. Yes, okay, we're getting there. Okay, so I don't want a text file, I want a Cascade Style Sheets file. There we go. So we've got common. Let's do index first. .html. No, what am I saying? Okay, index.css. Okay, so what are we going to put in here? Now remember, we've got background color style for H2 and H3 already inside common.css. So what I'm going to do is basically cut that out of there. Okay, like so, and put it in here. Okay, and I also want to add a background color to the article. I'm just going to paste that again and then change that to article like that. Okay, and let me get my color scheme right because I wouldn't like this to be upset. So I think my screenshot has yellow. That's coming up like that. Okay, so let's go back and see, have we sorted the problem? We've just gotten rid of the background color there. Okay, so we need to add our link into index.html. Okay, here we go here. And we're going to make life simple. I've got a link to a style sheet already. Here it is here. Home twice, Shift and down, Control C. And then on the next line, Control V. And all I need to do is add index in here. Oops. Like that. Okay, so I try to do as little typing as possible. Okay, I try to do as little work as possible when I'm writing code. Okay, keyboard is quicker than mouse for all those shortcuts. Anyway, okay, you've heard that sermon before, so let's come back here and let's see what's happened here. Nothing has happened here, and of course, why would it? Because we are in culture. Aha, here we go. Okay, so my welcome H2, red background, and my article has got a yellow background, my article tag, and there's the H3s are also red. Okay, so getting there. Okay, now I am going to use a different background color for H2, H3 article, for history.html and for culture.html. So all I'm going to do is save this as history. Okay, because when it starts off being a CSS file and you want to save as, it sticks at that. So I'll just put history in there and have a sneaky look. History should be, okay, I think it's kind of a pink background for the heading and light blue. So let's change that. Look, it doesn't matter. Pick your own color scheme. It should be obvious here at this stage that I am not the most gifted when it comes to color schemes. So we go to history.html, paste that there and change that to history.css. And then finally culture.css, like that. Okay, so I just need to create culture.css, save as culture. Okay, and what color scheme are we using this time? Brown with a green background, I think. Okay, these are mad colors. Okay, there's no other word for it. Okay, history is picking up colors, as is culture. Okay, so we are finished. Okay, what does someone do in COVID times when one finishes? How does one celebrate? I don't know, but hope you got this far. Hope you found them interesting. Hope it's opened up the world of web design, HTML and CSS too, and hopefully it's made you a little bit adventurous about looking at other websites, seeing how did they do that. Right click, inspect, have a look at the HTML and the CSS. Okay, play around with W3 Schools, play around with CSS Editor, cssmate.com. Get used to all these different styles and tags. Okay, and get ready for your mid-semester project. Okay, so the requirements for that will be up in Moodle shortly if they're not up already. What is your website going to be about? Some aspect of your course or something in your locality. Go and take your own photographs. Have a bit of fun. Think about whatever number of pages the requirements say. What unique content could you put on each page? What is your common content going to be? What is your common style? Have you got any little images you could use, like a logo or background and so on? Okay, please do not just give me the ring of Gullion with different text. Okay, it's not about that. These 3 pages, we've created a multi-page website, but if you look at the HTML, they're essentially the same web page. Okay, the text and the images are varying, but I want to see web pages, one of which might have a lot of text, another might have a Google map insert or YouTube video or a gallery or an iframe or so on. All of these things we'll cover in the next few weeks. So best of luck with all that, and hope this has gone well for you.